Hello students, in this section I will introduce you to the grasshopper. Spodoptera exigua, also known as autumn armyworm, belongs to Lepidoptera noctuidae, native to tropical and subtropical areas of America. It mainly feeds on gramineous crops, such as corn and sugar cane, and has the characteristics of wide host range, wide suitable area, strong long-distance migration ability, high reproduction multiple, and heavy overeating. The most important distinguishing feature of Spodoptera exigua is the larvae, which have two main features. One is that the black or orange head has a yellow-white inverted Y spot, and the other is that there are 4 square black spots on the back of the abdominal terminal segment. Next, understand the occurrence regularity and damage characteristics of Spodoptera exigua in grassland. There is no diapause phenomenon in Guangxi, but it can occur every year. The suitable development temperature is 11 to 30 degrees Celsius, and one generation can be completed in about 30 days at 28 degrees Celsius. The young larvae hide in the hard leaves, leaf sheaths and other parts to feed, forming a translucent film window hole. When the corn growing point is peeled off, a large number of pest feces and larvae hiding in it can be seen. Older larvae do more harm to corn. After feeding on leaves, they form irregular long holes, which can eat up the whole corn leaves. In severe cases, the growing point of corn dies, which affects the normal development of leaves and ears. Finally, let's take a look at the prevention and control measures of meadow moth. Ecological regulation adjusts the sowing time according to the occurrence period of local pests, stagger the sensitive growth period, and reduce the damage. Conditional areas can be intercropped with non-graminea crops, protect the parasitic and predatory natural enemies in the natural environment of farmland, and give full play to the natural control advantages of biodiversity. During the occurrence period of trapping and killing adults, sex pheromones are used in concentrated way, which interferes with the mating of Spodoptera exigua in grassland and traps and kills them in groups, thus reducing the number of eggs and insects in the field. You can also use light booby traps, food traps, to reduce the base of insect source. For biological control, from the peak spawning period to the early hatching period, Beauveria bassiana, Methahersium anisopliae, Bacillus thuringiensis, and other microbial agents were sprayed. Chemical control. In the early stage of pest occurrence, when sporadic harmful insect strains appear in the field, the injured plants are manually cleared, or pesticide application is carried out, and pesticide application is carried out immediately when the control index is reached. Control index. When the insect population density in the cornfield reaches every 10 insects per 100 plants, spray chemicals. Control agents: fluorobenzamide, chlorantraniliprole, tetrachlorobenzamide, ethyl spinosad, emamectin benzoate and doxycarb, emamectin benzoate, chlorfenapyr, etc. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you next time.